How to turn on or turn off open spotted links for an app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on Choose Default App. After click on Choose Default App, scroll down and click on Opening Links. After click on Opening Links, scroll down and search any app. Scroll down and click on App. After click on App, you will see Open Spotted Links is here. If you want to turn off Open Spotted Link, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Open Spotted Link is turn off. If you want to turn on Open Spotted Link, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Open Spotted Link is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Open Spotted Link from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off open spotted links for an apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.